So friends, hello to everyone in general. I have this thing, the video. You've probably already seen it. Who hasn't seen it? I'll leave the link in the description and I won't forget, in general. This is a power supply. It plugs into a socket and replaces the socket. And 4 USB outputs with good power. 4 ports, 2 each, and 4 amperes in total can output and so, and in general, I disassembled it with a knife. The card, in general, crawled under. It is, in short, glued. That's how it is. The edges are apparently sealed with ultrasound or something, and I don't know. It will also be possible to smear a little, but oddly enough, it easily went over with a card and open. There are no latches here. 2 dots. Are you interested in the horn? And in short, due to this, it grabbed me so normally. It shook me. It looks like this. Some kind of capacitor now. We'll take a look at it. We'll figure out what's going on. So that the capacitor discharges so that it doesn't shock. But that's probably why. They soldered it so that people wouldn't rummage around and wouldn't hit anyone. But in circuit design, I think that's wrong. There should be some kind of protection so that it discharges and doesn't shock. Anyway, that's how I have it. The outer ports, for some reason, the contact is poor when you insert a consumer USB. The same camera is charging. Or the backlight is behind the monitor. In short, it doesn't. It shines, in short, poorly. You can bend it twice as dimmer to one side. The USB cable itself, in short, and it lights up normally, and the remote control doesn't work when it lights up dimly in general. And the camera is not only the camera, the phone also charges poorly, literally doesn't charge at all. In general, I need to look, I don't know, or bend something here or something. In short, something needs to be done. Somehow. So. So we'll try. It was terribly scary to climb. Well, it's necessary, just. It's only on 2 screws. It will hold. Okay, I'm afraid that there's nothing to grab onto. Damn, here again. It turns out that we have it over there. It's not clear how you can pull it out here, or it was made in such a way that it can't be pulled out. Of course it will be. Sadness, trouble. Well, in theory, this is the Earth. We don't have any Earth.
как-то она должна вытаскиваться. Ну-ка, дайте-ка я возьму отвертку.
I'll try somehow.
И попробую как-то ее...
I probably need to hook it from here, from this edge, to pull it out.
Вроде что-то пошло. Я надеюсь, потом будет всё.
Everything really works, I hope, as I would pull it out here.
Так, как ее отсюда бы вытащить? Она там приклеена. Во. Приклеена на
With
скотч.
scotch tape. I'm afraid that something is touching here, because I didn't hit it. No way.
Вот не. Во.
Okay, here we have the circuitry.
Схемотехника. Так,
Okay,
да, вот
yes, this similar albeit is standing. I have a similar one.
тут диод стоит. Похоже, я его коснулся и меня ударило. Или этот конденсатор. Или вот
This
этот.
one, but the fact remains, so here the low side, nothing is needed for me, the most important thing.
Низкая сторона, наверное, ничего не должно. Мне самое главное...
For me, the most important thing is to bend the contacts so that they are contacts, and here it is possible to do, I don't know, probably.
Чтобы они контачили, а тут это можно сделать, я не знаю, наверное... Что-то, наверное...
Probably put something under them. In short, this one for some reason dangles too easily. It ruins the middle good ones. This is also good in short one. Yes, this one.
Это тоже хорош. Короче, один. Да, вот этот вот.
For some reason it dangles. Yes, it is exactly on this side, the far right one turns out. And it, in short, for some reason dangles very much.
Почему он болтается? Так.
Okay, let's see.
Так, ну-ка посмотрим. Не, другие так не болтаются.
So what can be done here? I wonder what can be done.
Что можно сделать? Так. Заменить разъем, у меня таких нету.
Or the only thing that can be done is to bend this one itself.
Сам этот. Да, он довольно-таки...
It dangles a lot compared to these. Okay, well, I guess I'll do that. There's nothing else left here. I don't have any like that. I would, of course, replace it if I had this. What's it called? Lavicus.
Как он называется-то? Оловацус. Я бы его поменял, если бы у меня такие были, но у меня таких нету. Так, давай.
Let's try to bend it then.
Так. Попробуем его подогнуть. Немножко. Так, все мы подогнем, потому что...
Some consumers are constantly standing because, for example, the cable for the camera, the cable on the mobile is charging and
Мобильный заряжается. И
What else do I have here? And in short, to the power supply to the hub 3.0, they are constantly on. You turn off the backlight when you need it, when you don't.
подсветку, ну, выключаешь, когда надо, когда не надо.
Although it is possible to include this, I'll probably turn it on and off with the remote control too. But my backlight is combined with the TV. Okay, I'll think of something.
Конечно, это досада.
Such a small one. There will be something lighter here.
Я думаю, тут будет что-нибудь полегче в плане доступа. Тут
Here,
даже
even those contacts that are plus or minus the date, plus or minus 5 volts, they are soldered too finely.
распаяны. Между ними какое-то сопротивление.
But apparently this is current stabilization or something. I don't know. Because the voltage is stabilizing, it is already coming from the high part.
Высокой части.
After 220, I think too strong. I've healed these too much. I won't press them because they...
Так, ну я думаю, слишком сильно этот поджал. Я тебя сильно поджимать не буду, потому что они...
It seems to be normal, but I press these ones normally, probably even too much. USB won't fit here, but maybe it will. Well, that's basically the whole repair. I'm more here.
Больше тут я...
I don't know, I didn't do anything now, it's discharged, nothing, there's another one here.
Вот. Вот теперь я его разрядил. Ничего себе, но тут есть еще один вот этот, давайте его тоже. Во, это тоже разрядил. Нифига себе.
What good capacitors while it still sparks, can you imagine if it would change me white?
Нифига себе, он еще искрит, вы представляете? Вот бы он меня бил и бил. Так, где еще был-то у нас? Вот он. Этот что ли? Ну да. Вот он. И вот этот вот. Все.
Now it doesn't hit, so never do it fingers. Don't check, so okay, what, let's put it back together and...
Не проверяйте. Так, ладно, чего, собираем обратно. Все как и было. Так, это сюда.
You can even fix the hardware a little. It's just a little bit tight, like this, here.
Вот.
In general, don't forget to discharge.
Не забывайте разряжать.
Capacitors, this is it, as it remains you see the trace.
Это там он аж. Какой остался, вон видите, след.
The discharge voltage is high. There are probably 400 volts. I can't say.
Точно не могу сказать.
Let's screw it on. Well, the screwdriver is still not the right size.
Чуть-чуть,
It needs to be a little smaller.
чуть-чуть поменьше.
That's how it is.
Перекрутим их обратно. Так, этот нажмем. Этот нажмем. Так. Все, ну и закроем крышку. Так.
So, before closing the lid, I'll probably trim some more tape.
Еще изоленту
I wound the electrical tape here so that it would be in the socket. In short, she stood rigidly, didn't move anywhere, just stuck it in, and so what?
Намертво, как говорится. Сейчас подрежу еще. Что тут у нас немножко. не задеть пластмассу. Так.
Everything that was said seemed to have been cut off.
Подрезал.
So let's close it in principle. It's already holding on and will tighten on the socket. I won't glue it yet. I'll turn it on and check now.
Клеить я не буду. Так, сейчас включу, проверю.
So I'll probably turn on the load right away. I hope it won't fail.
Так. Я надеюсь, он не выйдет из строя.
Oh no, that's not here. That's here. That's here.
Так, это...
That's here. That's here.
Сюда. И это сюда. Все, 4 подключил.
Including the socket, everything's there. It flared up, so let's move it, and still, apparently, there's some kind of soldering there.
Ну и все равно. Видать, там какая-то пайка.
Apparently, this connector needs to be soldered. Apparently, it needs to be soldered.
Все равно моргает, когда его прижимаешь.
By the way, for some reason it started to fall out here. Apparently, it needs to be seated a little.
Наклей.
So, in general, it started to fall out. Now we need to do something so that it holds.
Держи его, если
What to do? Put a few drops of glue, I guess. I don't know what kind of glue to use, or what clip to put in.
какого клея-то капнуть? Какой клей посадить? Не знаю. Ладно,
Okay,
в общем, вот
that's
так
how it all looks.
все это выглядит.
Here I'll probably put a little bit of glue in some places.
В некоторых местах капну клея чуть-чуть. Суперклеем. Чтобы держалось.
The only thing is, first, solder the connector. I don't know well. I'll decide that myself.
Сам решать.
That's it. Now I've seen what's inside it, how it's arranged. I showed it to you. I saw it myself. That's all, basically. Let's go. Bye, everyone.